challenge. A few people have said that I'm not drinking enough water in the day. So this is the challenge, to complete this by the end of the vlog. So I didn't actually specify, but that's actually 3.5 liters of water. You're normally supposed to have 2 liters a day, but if you're exercising, sometimes a little bit more water helps. I'm either gonna finish it and feel great, or finish it and feel like that girl that eats the stuff from Willy Wonka and turns into the big blue ball. Oompa loompa. Workout. Haven't really made a dent on this thing. It is massive. It's bigger than my head. Britt, how's the vlog going?
Good. I'm actually posting it right now. Yeah! Look what I spilled on my pants! It's just guacamole.
You know what would be great? If that was on a shirt.
It's just guacamole.
Guess who I am?
Trying to do grocery shopping.
Very funny. I don't even know why I did that. That didn't even make sense.
I think you were just like getting ready. I don't know. You were getting ready for something. And you were like just like jumping. It was funny.
We're stuck in traffic right now. We've been stuck in traffic for a while. What I'm gonna do is show some footage of a recent commercial that I was in, along with one of my friends, Dylan. Britt helped out with the filming on this one. So it's pretty good, actually. You did a good job with the filming.
Don't sound so surprised.
Yeah, she did a pretty good job.
Guys, I know what I'm doing, okay? I do these things sometimes.
Yeah, she does do these things sometimes. So here is the behind the scenes of the Forza Horizon 4 commercial shoot that I did last month, and then I might throw in the actual finished commercial at the end of the video. We are at the Luti lifeguard station with Microsoft. Dylan got here, and there's a Lambo over there.
It's there, trust me, it's there.
Yeah, should be a lot of fun. And then we'll go for a ride in the blue Lambo Huracan. It'll be great. Yeah. I have to go and check this thing out for real. So this is your next car, Britt, then?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
In like 30 years, yeah.
So this is supposed to be spring.
It's like spring.
It's like 7 degrees.
It's movie magic.
Movie magic. As this guy knows, both of these guys have been in feature films now. They're the pros. I don't know what I'm doing.
How excited are you?
This is amazing.
This is the first time I've been behind the camera and you're the one that's in front of it.
Yeah, because like we came here a couple of weeks ago to take a photo of the house to try and make it look like it was from the video game, the Forza Horizon.
Right.
Now there's a couch with a TV. They've put an Xbox on the beach. Why not?
Okay. Freeze out here.
Okay.
So here you are. So what's gonna happen is we're actually gonna have a drone flying behind you guys. Looking at the television, we'll have the drone sort of pull back and it reveals that you guys are playing the game where the photo is.
Okay. This is way beyond what I was expecting. And big thanks to Dylan here.
How do you play Forza? I have no idea.
Check it out. Look. This is a little strange, no?
Yeah. But we're gonna kill it. We're naturals.
Well, he's the actor. I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
It's alright. I got you. Just follow my lead, okay?
Alright, cool.
Just. Oh yeah, we're okay. Right. Here we go.
Okay. I wonder how close these drones can actually get to someone. It's probably famous last words, though. Yeah. That's a lot closer than what it looks like on this camera here. That's close.
See, kids? Playing video games does pay off.
So this is what the camera sees?
Yeah, our hands are now...
Really cold?
Yeah, super cold.
Oh no!
Dylan's come up with a fantastic idea where you put your hands under your legs so that your fingers don't fall off.
Yes.
That's right. This is what we do in Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've never used these things before.
Those are the ones I use on extracurricular.
Oh, really?
Shake, shake, shake.
So what do you?
Might have to switch jackets. It's supposed to be spring.
Yeah, that's what I was
So
thinking.
your jacket's fine because it looks very spring-like, but the fur is tricky.
I don't know if you know this, but it says warmer heats up in 15 to 30 minutes. So. Well, that's a nice jacket.
It is. It is. Where is it? There it is. So we've done a couple of takes. These heat bags are saving us at the moment.
The heat bags.
I don't know what they're called. Hand warmers? Yeah. Whatever. Quick update. They've had to move the TV and the couch. I think they want to put the drone in between so they can like film us. Like they're having a game of how close they can get the drone to our faces.
Yeah, there's a couple times where I flinched real hard because I thought it was gonna hit me.
Yeah,
in the back of the
drone
head.
is like sitting like right there behind us. I think we should go and check on Britt, see what she's up to. Britt found the snacks. And they knew you were coming because they brought Starbucks. The TV and the couch have been moved. Let's go. Let's do it. Woo! I wonder if that actually like took in the reality of how close that drone was. Like we're not that far away from each other. The drone is probably like what, an inch and a half each side of our heads.
Oh yeah. There were times where like I'm already leaning this far and I would go a little bit more.
A couple of takes, it was sort of like, oh, it wasn't that bad that time. It wasn't as close, but that just meant that it was closer to the other person.
Yeah.
Basically.
Yes, but you could ramp it.
Yeah.
But I mean, but then
Oh,
even
and then you just
still,
catch the top of their head. Yeah, I get what you mean.
There you go.
Get ready.
Couch on the beach shots are all done. Now it's time to shoot in the Lambo. You enjoying yourself here, Brett?
Yeah. I'm filming for you on this.
Oh, you're amazing.
Yeah.
I've never seen Britt so excited around a supercar or a car ever.
I'm only doing it because it's for the vlog.
Doing it
You
for
just
the vlog.
put the camera like this close to my face.
I did? Like this? Okay.
See if Thomas needs to set up the GoPro.
Hey, Thomas.
Hey Ben,
Oh, hey.
how's the plant for you?
It's so nice inside. One second, just gonna make sure.
Buy it now or play with Xbox Game Pass.
That was really, really unexpected today.
Why?
Everything. Well, and they gave me an Xbox.